It's time to take a shower, and I'm in a park. So I don't know if you've had any experience with park showers, but I used to think they were awful. I would get in there and I didn't have what I needed. It was so uncomfortable getting dressed and getting undressed in the shower, and the water direction or the temperature wasn't quite right, and I really didn't think I would enjoy them. Now I do enjoy them, and it's because I figured out how to do it in a way that makes me happy. Simple is best. I do the most simple form of a shower that I can do. If you want to do more, you can. If you want to bring an exfoliator or other things, you can do that. But the simplest is the best for me, just because it's less to think about. I'm in and out, and I feel really clean when I get done, which is wonderful. So for me, simple is soap, shampoo. This is a rice water shampoo bar, deodorant, and a razor. I use these little jars after my soap gets wet, and that's because when I come back into my RV, I just set this up on my toiletry shelf and it dries out before the next time I use it. So these jars are for wet soap, and I really like that system. I bring it back, it dries out. Next time I use it, it's fresh and nice. So that's a good system. So that's it. Soap, shampoo, and deodorant. That's all I'm bringing this time. A large cup. This has made my life so much better. I realized that if the shower head is not going in the right direction and you don't feel like you're getting clean, this fixes it. Having a cup like this on hand, it's worth $1 million. It makes the whole experience so much better. Plastic shoes. Once again, simple. You can wear these while you're showering. I can walk over there, shower, walk back. I'm in these shoes, and they are Crocs. They're plastic shoes. So these are the best, I think. The other thing that's awesome is simple clothes. Like right now I have on just this dress. That's it. No socks, no jacket, no anything else. Just this dress. So getting dressed, getting undressed is going to be super simple and very pleasant. It gets humid in there, of course, because you're in a shower. And yeah, bringing a bunch of stuff to get dressed and undressed is not great. Do that in your RV or in your van. I wouldn't do it in the shower. I mean, you can if you want to, but just for me, I find it a lot more pleasant to wear minimum clothes, plastic shoes. I'm happy. I bring 2 towels because I just like to have 2 towels on hand. That's just me. It's usually when I'm on the road, when I'm doing this kind of nomad lifestyle, I'm not going to take showers every day. It's just not necessary for me, but it is nice to have a shower whenever I need it. The senior park pass, if you're 62 or over, it's only $80 to get a park pass. So that's for the rest of my life. So free lifetime showers forever for $80. It's such a bargain. And like this park that I'm in, it's $40 per year for an annual pass. And so if you're under 62, you can get an annual pass. It's $40 per year. If you contrast that with like going to a truck stop, where a truck stop showers can be $15, $10 to $15, you can see that adds up really quickly in terms of money. And these are free, like $40 for free showers for a whole year. They're warm, they're clean, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna go over and take my shower now. I'll show you the shower when I get there. It might be hard to hear me in here. There's a fan going anytime the lights are on, which is a good thing, so it's not humid. This is the shower head. These shower heads are not movable, so that's why I like that plastic cup. I really like the seat, and that does not make me old. Not at all. And then over here, you have your restroom and your mirror and your sink. So I have my towels there and my backpack there. They won't get wet or dirty. They'll be easy to access. When I get out of the shower, Yeah, my clothes will be over here on this little chair. That'll keep them dry. So that's all I need, really. And I'm going to go ahead and take my shower now. And I'll talk to you soon. The nicest part of a park shower is when you walk out the doors, this is what you see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Now I'm going to make sure I put this backpack somewhere where I remember to put the towels and the wet stuff away. I usually set it on my bed and then I can't go to bed before I put everything away. So, okay, that was park showers.